2017 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, universal garage door opener, fog lights, power windows, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.